In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online tutorial, how to make accounts inactive. If your chart of accounts feels cluttered or you've stopped using certain accounts, making them inactive is a clean, safe way to tidy up without deleting any history. In QuickBooks Online, inactive simply means the account is hidden from your selection lists going forward. Your past transactions and reports remain intact, so you keep a complete audit trail. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with the right permissions to manage the chart of accounts. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the left panel. Click on Accounting. This opens the accounting tools you'll use most often. From here, go to the Chart of Accounts tab. You'll now see a table listing all your accounts along with their types and balances. This is the central place where you control which accounts are active and which are tucked away. Identify the accounts you no longer want to use and check the boxes to select them. You can select one or several at once, which is helpful if you're cleaning up a batch from a previous year. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct ones by reviewing the name and type. If your list is long, the search bar and filters can help you narrow down what you need. At the top left of the table, click on Batch Actions. This menu lets you apply the same change to multiple accounts quickly. From the drop-down, select Make Inactive. QuickBooks may ask you to confirm, just to ensure you're aware of the change. Approve the prompt, and the selected accounts will be moved out of your active list. A quick note about what happens next. Those accounts will no longer appear in drop-downs when you create new transactions, but any existing transactions tied to them stay put, and your historical reports remain accurate. If you're using recurring transactions or bank rules that reference an account you inactivated, it's a good practice to update those so they point to an active account. Also, some required system accounts can't be made inactive, and QuickBooks will let you know if that's the case. If you ever need an account back, you can restore it later from the chart of accounts by showing inactive entries and making it active again. That's all there is to it. Click Accounting, open Chart of Accounts, select the accounts you no longer need, choose Batch Actions, and pick Make Inactive. It's a simple, reversible way to keep your books clean and your lists focused on what you actually use today.